natural deodorant, beard supplements, face bars, scents of the month, colognes, all kinds of cool stuff happening over at Copper John's Beard Company. So we're going to be doing kind of an update video. Tyson sent me out a few things to try to go over with you guys, and want to just give you a big overview of everything Copper John's has to offer. And I think we can now say it's a one-stop shop for all your beard and grooming needs. So welcome, guys. My name's Brian. This is my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel. We're trying to help you grow your best beard possible. Thank you so much for joining me. Been a big fan of Copper John's ever since he came onto the scene. Tyson is the owner, along with Casey, helping him out there, and just a great owner in the community. Those guys are really active. So if you're interested in the community part of your beard care, and you're into watching live streams and just interacting with your company owners on Instagram and the other community members, make sure you check out Copper John's both on Instagram, and they're really active on YouTube. Not a lot of companies have YouTube channels, but I think they do 2 different live streams a week. So you can check that out there. They just kind of do questions and answers. They have some different people on. I've been on a number of times. They've done some fun beard competitions and things like that, mullet competitions, all kinds of cool stuff. So make sure you check that out and kind of be part of the community, and then the Copper John's community. So Tyson sent me out their natural deodorant. I've got their new milk and collagen face bar soap, and then also one of their scents of the month. This one's the one from January. It's called Solitude. So let's start there with the scents of the month. So you've got a couple different options. You can either get an oil or a butter, or an oil butter combo sent out to you every 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days. By the way, guys, I am an affiliate with Copper John, so you can save 15% off of their normal prices by using the code BANJO15, and also help support my channel. So I do appreciate that, and want to let you guys know about that just right off to start with. And then this one's probably my favorite Copper John scent. It's got 3 different types of cedar in it, and I love cedar. I'm not going to make a big huge deal about it because you can't get it right now, because it was January scent of the month, and January has come and gone. But this one, just to give you a taste of some of the complexity of the scent profiles that we're using here for these scents of the month. We got juniper, black pepper, bergamot, spruce, and then 3 types of cedar: Atlas cedar, Virginia cedar, Himalayan cedar. Really love that one. The one for February is called Keeper, and it's lavender, coriander, orange flower, bergamot, lemon, oak moss, fir, woods, and musk. So pretty complex and got some nice woodsy notes to it, is what it sounds like. I really enjoy those types of scents. So I wanted to let you know about that. I'm not sure what the March scent is yet, or how long the Keeper scent will be available. I'm not a big fan of lavender, so that's probably wouldn't suit me, but the rest of that sounds good. So I want to let you know about that. If you like trying new scents every so often, you can just sign up for your subscription and see what they've got cooking over there and come up with for every month, which is fun. Also, newer to the lineup is natural deodorants. This one is the Last Cast. It goes for $14.95, and I've used it once. I'm not a big natural deodorant fan or user. This is actually my first time ever trying it, so I'm usually antiperspirant, kind of the traditional stuff, so I can't really make a judgment on it. But if you're into natural deodorants and that's your thing, you want to check that out. I will say that this scent smells exactly like the beard oil. So if you already love some of these Copper John scents, maybe you can get it in a deodorant, and you can eliminate your scent confusion with having your deodorant smelling like one thing and then your beard oil product smelling like something different. So you won't be getting different whiffs of different kind of things all throughout the day, which is pretty cool. I also have, and I haven't tried this yet, this is a new soap. This is Milk and Collagen Face Soap Bar, and it goes for $6.95. And then I have tried some of the body soaps that are really good. One of the best natural soaps that I've tried, and they go for $6.95 as well. I think there's like a total of 7 scents you can get, so a lot of different options. Some companies just have like 1 or 2 scents. There's 7 scents there. along with your beard oil, which I think now there's going to be like 15 cents available at all times if you include the scent of the month on that. And then 4 of those are gray line scents. So there's 2 different blends for whatever may suit your beard better, whether you've got thick, coarse gray beard or a different type of beard. You can probably find something that will work for you out of those 2 blends. Also, there are matching butters to go along with that. I will say that Tyson tweaked the recipe a little bit, not the ingredients, but the proportions of things. A little bit smoother, goes in a little bit better. I like the butter just a little bit better with the new version of that. So check that out if you have not. So let's share the website here and check out a few things. There was that scent of the month that I talked about. There's all the different types of soaps, your beard oil, all your different scents that we talked about. Something else new. I'm a huge fan of sample packs. So now you can get sample packs, and these are really, really big samples. If it's 0.44 ounces, that's just a little bit less than half a bottle of beard oil. So you can get individual things like maybe you want to try out Angler's Code. Like me, I haven't tried Angler's Code. I really want to try that one. I might pick that up. I don't have to get a whole, a huge thing of it. You can get a smaller, less than half of an ounce for $8.95 is more reasonable. Or you can get the big sample pack if you're new to Copper John's. You've got 5 sample pack or 8 sample pack, and you can just have lots of fun with that for, probably several months. You get to try some different stuff out and see what you like. All right. Also, you've got colognes, both the solid cologne, which I've had the Nightfall in that. And then also there's 2 spray colognes, but you get a lot of different scents there, right? So you got a lot of different scents to try for your colognes, not just one thing. Also new to the lineup are supplements. So you've got all kind of gummies. You eat one of these gummies every day, man, you're going to have some, just like a whole candy treat to yourself there. But you got collagen gummies, biotin gummies, apple cider vinegar gummies, and omega gummies. There's also accessories. You got your Kent combs. You've got a soap dish. You've got beard product displays. You can have an iPhone case. You can have a poster. Maybe I should get a poster for my wall. Your magic mug that changes colors when it gets hot. All kind of cool stuff there. Some really good looking swag and apparel on that. You can get the, summertime's coming. You can get the tank top there and show off the guns there if you want. Or some socks if you want to keep those tootsies warm. All right, I'm getting a little bit silly here. Outdoor stuff. You've got Fowler's oil, which I really like. It's a really strong kind of, is it fir? And it's not cedar, but it's really woodsy. You got Bug Off. You've got the hand cleanser, and you've got some waterproofing wax to put on your fabric, right? And even stuff for the ladies. There's body butter, but there's like 5 different scents in that. So just all kind of stuff. There's also mustache wax. I think I've covered just about everything, but I wanted to give you a good overview of everything Copper John's has to offer and the newer things, especially, by the way, a great beard wash, daily conditioning beard wash, made one of my top washes for last year. But the new things would be the deodorant, the scents of the month, the sample packs, sample sizes, and then the face soap. And then I don't know how old the spray cologne is. I think that's a relatively new thing as well. So if you haven't checked out Copper John's in a while, check it out. Let me know if you've tried some of this stuff, what your favorite Copper John scent is. And as always, guys, I appreciate you watching. We'll see you soon.